A few points on outsourcing. So with dropshipping, you have to wear quite a number of hats. There's website design, there's creating ads, running the ads. It can kind of be a lot. I believe in doing all of these things all on my own, at least for when I'm testing the products. Some people will tell you that's stupid. The whole point of being the boss and CEO is to just control things from a distance and outsource everything. You just want to be combining and leading it, which there is some truth to that line of thinking. But I think especially for people starting out, it's very important to learn all of the moving parts of this business, to go through it on their own. And it's really not all that difficult to set everything up. Shopify is simple to use, and you don't have to get crazy with any editing or anything like that to make something work. Also, throughout your dropshipping journey, you're gonna have to do a lot of tweaking and testing. So knowing some of these basic skills will be so beneficial. You won't have to run and pay an editor every time you need to tweak something on your website or ad or photo. Not to mention, if you're outsourcing everything, it's gonna add up and get expensive very quick, which can be killer in the beginning. If you have a product really take off and you wanna spend 10 grand on a state-of-the-art website and hire a production team for your ads, that makes sense, more power to you. But in the beginning, I recommend you do a lot of these things all on your own. But all of that said, I do wanna explain some options you may have if you're absolutely stuck or lost on something and would like to outsource some parts of this. Pillar one, finding the right product. You can't really outsource that. You want to be able to make the final decisions on what products you want to test. There's tools that'll help you, but you can't fully really outsource that. Pillars 2 and 3, which are the website and ads, there's a lot of editing and design that goes into that. So if you want to outsource some things there, you can try Fiverr. It has a ton of different sellers from high-end to more cost-efficient options for doing just about anything. And we will actually outsource something when we get into section 3, the advertisement. We'll talk a little more about that in regards to ads in the ad section. But again, if you ever do need to outsource something, a good place to start would be Fiverr. This isn't sponsored, it's just what I sometimes use. And that's mostly when I get to the point where I want to scale something and hire graphic designers that can do a better